Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Xeon's Bank mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome OS browser on your PC and go to Google. Now in the Google search bar, search for Xeon's Bank mortgage login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen, which is the official page of Xeon's Bank, or you can click on the second link as well. Now you can see on the right hand side there is sign in option. Click on sign in and there are four options: personal banking, business banking, treasury gateway and personal mortgage. So you can choose the type of account you want to log into and then this login portal will appear. So you can go ahead and write down your username associated with Xeon's Bank, your password and click sign in. This way you can log in to your Xeon's Bank mortgage account. If you are having any kind of problems in logging in, click need help and then you can retrieve back your username or your password quite easily. You can click on this small box which says remember me and you will not keep your username and password the next time you want to log in. If you don't have a Xeon's Bank mortgage account yet, click enroll now and create yourself an account. This was a video on how you can log into your Xeon's Bank mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.